In this video, I'll show you how to create a payment link in Wise. Step 1. Log into your Wise business account. Open Wise on your app or website and sign in. I'll leave a link to wise.com in the description down below. Payment links currently require a Wise business account. Step 2. Go to Payments and then Payments Links. From your dashboard or navigation menu, select Payments and then Payment Links. Step 3. Create a new payment link. Click on New Payment Link and fill in details like the currency, the amount, customer name, invoice details and the purpose. Step 4. Choose link type. Select single use for one-time payment or a reusable to accept multiple payments from different customers via the same link. Step 5. Generate and share link. Create the link and share it via email, social media, text, or embed in invoices or websites, or however you want to share it. Step 6. Track payments. Monitor payment statuses, paid or unpaid, for all your links via the Payment Links dashboard. Now I have some tips for your payment links. Ensure your Wise business account has currency balances enabled. Use invoice due dates and notes for clear communication. And send links directly or embed QR codes for easier customer access. And that's how you create your payment link with Wise. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments.